The refrigerator normally has two parts. You have a refrigerator in the lower part and a fridge in the upper part. In the fridge, you can store frozen foods, frozen feeds, frozen waffles, and frozen ice cream. And in the refrigerator part, you can store other things like fruits, cereal, milk.
Hi guys, I tell today the fridge is probably the more important electrodomestic in all on the world. According from data to the Organization of Consumer and User, acquired foods positioning in doing adequate refrigerator or food signs a higher temperature that recommended microorganisms and bacteria managed to spread more quickly. To achieve correct food preservation, it is essential to correctly place each product in the refrigerator, and for that you must know how to distinguish the different areas of the refrigerator, since each one of them fulfills its function. Top of the fridge. Is it the less cold areas on the fridge with an average of between 10 grade and 50 grade centigrade, making it most suitable for placing beverages such as soft drinks or juice, as well as other products that do not require it and much refrigerator, like butter and packaged foods that are still closed, like fresh pastas or sauce.
Brood is handled at temperature of 10 degrees. It was made to store fruit and vegetables. For example, blackberry, onion, apple, guava.
Lower part of the figure. That area locates just above the drawer is the coldest part of the freezer since it is usually around. Therefore, it is the most recommended for storing fresh food that requires more refrigeration. This is the case, for example, with fresh meat, fish, and eggs.
The door is the least cold area of the fridge. It is the most part exposed to room temperature. Here we put more products that do not need as much refrigeration, such as drinks, sauces, dishes, etc.